Cell phone.
I ain't getting no plane. Be a Baracus.
They used phone on the beginning.
Mr. T. They did, yeah.
They did.
They cut a phone.
To measure it?
I don't know.
I don't know. That seems like a waste of a phone.
It
But
was quite enticing.
Thanks God they didn't cut it.
yeah.
But they could cut it.
All right, they're
So-
melting some hot glue
Around
in an oven around
a phone-shaped wood plank.
Exactly.
All right.
Now they're using a press
Why use the press on that?
to press out the shape.
Onto
There we go.
the gluey thing.
Boom! Camera things.
Is that's the old camera thing,
Yeah,
isn't
camera
it?
thing.
That looks weird.
Or that's
Oh,
the new camera thing.
That's for the USB
Nice.
or the volume buttons.
Yeah.
There we go. What did they dip it? Ah, that was glue. Oh no, it was just water to get the
What is happening here?
mark.
Is that leather?
It is leather.
Ah, I recognize it from Minecraft.
All right, some little holes for the sewing.
Nice tool.
Does that actually
Boom.
like stick it
Boom.
together properly?
Well, no,
No,
you're
they just
Oh.
make a hole.
I don't know technology. I don't know how far.
Oh,
they've
now
come.
you do, Flint. Now you do. There we go. Turn it around. So. Double needle.
Bish bash bash.
Exactly, and it's
Ah,
done.
That looks pretty neat. It looks like you might, poke yourself a
It
couple
looks
times.
like Bob is your uncle.
Ah,
Uncle
Does
Bob.
it?
how did you know? We don't talk about Uncle Bob.
Oh, Uncle Bob. All right, there we go.
Is that like a strap?
That's a strap.
Come a strap.
Boom. Cut my strap into pieces.
This is my last strap. Corner
Cutting. That's awesome.
I always cut corners my whole life.
Oh man, that's
Yeah.
not something to be proud of.
Ah,
All right, they're sealing it with some black polishing stuff.
I just have one question. Why they did this mold on the beginning?
Yeah, that's true. Oh, look, there's a W. For
wood mood.
Oh.
Nice.
Ah, here we go.
I'm in
There
a
we
good
go.
mood with this wood mood.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if I like how they left the glue thing a white
Yeah.
color.
Mm-hmm.
Ish. It could have been better.
It looks pretty bad, actually. I like how they have this cool transition effect, like different angles and stuff for this.
Right, I mean,
Just to cover everything.
the techniques were
Yeah.
nice, but the finished result could be
Much better.
left. Yeah. All right, kinetic sand.
Ooh,
Let's press that in.
so satisfying.
So satisfying.
Come on, Doc!
Oh,
There we go. Pull it out.
Push,
Whoa.
push,
Pull it out.
Oh!
All right.
nice.
We got a metal
we did,
phone
we
case
did
now.
something
That's
similar
cool.
with Butch.
Yes.
That's a nice mold. I think yours with Bush was way better because it was a sculpture.
Kinda.
I mean, it was a completely different topic,
This is a,
Yes, of
but it
course.
was the same kind of technique.
This is a good thing for people who are
Glue
addicted to their
sticks.
phones. Just get a metal imprint of your phone, and
Yeah.
like whenever you want to get on your phone, just pick up the metal thing.
Pretend it's
Pretend,
your
yes.
phone. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can hit someone.
No, don't hit anyone.
No, of course.
But it's
But
a
if it's
protection tool.
yeah, protection,
Self-defense.
yeah.
Ah, yes,
Self-
exactly.
yeah.
Then it's
Alright,
okay.
Look at that. Oh, you gotta be careful. That's dangerous. Look, he's cutting towards himself. Okay,
All right.
cool it down.
You're gonna cool it down. A
It's a
little
cool,
waxy
it's
wax.
a cool phone.
Yeah.
It's bad. It's bad. I know.
Oh, okay. It stays.
Look
pretty
at
intact.
that. Now you have an actual. Whoa!
Oh!
Look at that. That's like, why buy it when you can make it?
I like it.
Very
I like
cool.
it very much.
Nice. Oh, it's not finished. He's going more.
Ooh. Okay.
What?
What's happening here?
We got automatic magnet in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's cool.
But it's not that.
It looks like an on switch,
So,
but a
Stay
little
on the
bit.
lines. This is important.
Stay on the line. Polymer clay. What's he gonna do with this polymer clay? He's gonna.
Just make a mold of the things on the outside, I
How
guess.
did he know where the middle was? Wow, that was a lucky shot. Yeah.
Probably measured it out
It was like a
beforehand.
shot in the dark.
Maybe. Maybe no. Maybe they just lucky.
Yeah. They should play the lottery.
Sure no.
This is a dangerous thing because imagine if your kids saw this and then they're like, "Oh, okay, I'll make a phone case for Daddy," and then they like cover your phone in like a bunch of clay and stuff.
Hey, sweetie, what did you do with my phone? It's beautiful.
Beautiful. I love it. I put the tomato sauce on it because I know you like ketchup.
Oh, thanks, honey. You're so sweet. Let's save our arts and crafts for school, okay?
I did the same thing to your car. My what? My what?
I patted it.
I thought you'd like it.
I love it, sweetie. I love it.
Oh, it's held on with a magnet. The wallet's held on with a
Wow.
magnet. That's sweet.
Clever.
That's
Very
nice.
clever.
Nice. Wow, I didn't expect
Good
it.
stuff. Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Bravo.
Good stuff.
I'll give that a
Encore.
Archie 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10?
Archie,
Archie 5 out of 10.
Okay, not bad.
Not bad. In a world where everything's not bad.
In a world,
The guy thinks it's excellent.
is the only word. Okay, we're making another metal phone thing.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Squishy machine. That's what it's called.
Yeah,
It's
because metal's super squishy, squishy.
It's a press.
I don't get the point of that at all.
Because it's cool. You can
I
press
don't
stuff with it,
get
okay?
it, Doc.
you can press everything in
Look at
it.
that.
I don't understand the size.
All right, that looks like a sweatshop. What was that?
Like a what?
That doesn't look okay. Yeah.
It's like it's a conveyor belt.
Yes.
Like, okay, it's ready, and he's carrying it on. But that was a nice little boom, fishy bashy boshy.
Fishy bashy bashy for sure.
There we go.
All right, so we're getting this leather all prepped up.
Yeah.
Little hole punchy action happening here. Ooh, we got
There
some
we
strings.
go. Lace it up. That looks like an American football.
It does look like an American football.
Yeah, laces
Another
out.
word for that, pigskin.
Ooh, pigskin.
Literally,
Interesting.
because they used to
Is
make
that
them
what it
with
is?
pigskin.
Really, American football are made from pigskin.
That's the.
That's a conveyor belt. I told you it was a sweatshop.
Oh my gosh. Can't say that.
You can.
No.
It doesn't mean it's correct, but
Okay. All right, so we got this other phone case happening here,
that's nice.
making the proper holes.
Mm-hmm.
It's professional.
So far, I don't get the point of the phone case.
I mean, it looks nice because it's
To
leather.
make leather.
Yeah.
I guess so.
And I think they tightened it so it took the shape. And now they're
Ah.
cutting off the excess.
This dude know what he's
He knows what
about.
he's. Yeah. He's a doctor.
Uh,
A doctor of
Doctor
phones.
knows everything.
Doctor of phones. Look at that brand.
Oh, that's a nice brand.
Canada.
Canada.
It's a different leaf, I think.
Is it? Is it though?
Is it? Oh,
Is it?
Sorry.
And let's spray the leather. I mean, I wouldn't have sprayed it per se because I love the leather finish.
I agree.
But whatever. Fine. Good for them.
Drying 1 hour.
And now you have the little exposed
Oh, that's nice.
maple leaf. There we go. That's the finish. So the leather doesn't corrode.
I'm a big fan of this.
You are?
Yeah,
It's good to be a fan.
it's good to be a fan.
Yes.
Now it's clear why they cost so many.
There we go. Polishing. Finishing.
Pretty cool.
Whoa!
Okay.
That's. Wait, Woodmood's calling you. Pick it up.
Woodmood's calling you.
Hello, is this Woodmood? Oh, hi!
Just a bunch of analog
I just-
noises because it's a channel.
11011101.
Good one, Woodmood.
That was awesome. I loved it.
Whoa!
That is sick.
Pretty nice.
Awesome.
A plastic suction
yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Suction thing.
Look at that. And then there we go. That's your phone case. You're done.
I want to put my hand in
You're
it
done.
and have
literally.
it like my hand.
I think it's painful.
Yeah?
I think,
Look,
yeah.
that's why is he carrying on? It's done. Oh, he's laser cutting stuff.
Something about
Whoa, moo.
Nice. Ah, and the Canadian leave again. Why?
I guess that's their emblem.
It's because it's a wood.
Oh, interesting. They don't have the
But it's a
full
maple
phone
leaf.
case thing happening here. This is like a partial phone case.
Bam.
Oh,
Bam. Bam.
Ah.
Boom.
Ooh.
And now you have a little
bit
shield.
boom.
A little bit of maple leaf in my life.
They put it there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it'd be like embossed.
That's
Oh,
nice.
nice.
And you can
I
use
wanna
it as a
see it.
magnet thing, to mount it on in your car and stuff.
I think it's not a metal.
Ah,
and
they
it's
didn't
a
get
copper.
that corner very.
which
nice.
is,
Is copper magnetized?
No.
No?
I think it's not a magnet.
Let's see. But they should have gone with the magnet one because automatically you could have used it as a
That would be clever.
noise.
Okay, I
UV drying glue.
kind of like it.
Boom, 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 boom. Bam.
Okay.
Okay,
Bam.
That's nice.
Boom.
That's a nice little
Bam,
touch.
bam,
Those are gonna
bam.
fall out.
Nice.
Good job.
Oh,
And
he's
so epoxy?
Yes. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff.
Excellent work, gentle people.
Gentle people. Very nice.
Oh.
Gold leaf. Glitter.
Okay, that's a little excessive, but okay.
No. I think it's just going to be the gold letters. I think it's going to be perfect.
Perfect.
They just need to remove the glitter. And bish bash bosh. There it is. Ooh,
Oh.
oil. Nice finish. I love it.
That's pretty nice.
That's
Best-
my favorite.
Best
That's
one
my-
so far.
Yeah.
100%.
Wow.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I want one. Look at that. Look at that finish.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay.
Wow.
That seems
Wow.
like luxury, you know?
It is.
Yeah.
It
Feels
is.
like luxury.
Maybe one day we'll get a taste of it.
Probably not. Well, that put me in a wood mood.
Oh! Snap, bang, boom, bam, babe, bish. Give us more.
More reaction!
What mod is good?